Samsung's expected finally to launch a true successor to the original Galaxy Watch Ultra. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The new model is likely to launch later in 2026, and it'll be Samsung's answer to the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and might have a crucial connectivity feature. Samsung may finally launch its first smartwatch capable of 5G connectivity. The big milestone for the company may be reached thanks to the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, which is expected to launch with a model number SML716. And that change is likely based on Samsung's rumored plans to change the processor of the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. Earlier rumors claimed the company will use Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear Elite chip, which has integrated 5G features. Just like with the first Galaxy Watch Ultra, this year, Samsung appears to be playing catch-up to its main competitor. Apple already added 5G connectivity support to its most recent smartwatches, including the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and the Apple Watch Series 11 models, which were announced in September. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is expected to launch this summer alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Flip 8 foldables and the Galaxy Watch 9 devices. Unlike the Ultra, the Galaxy Watch 9 is rumored to continue using the Exynos W10 chipset, which we've already seen in the Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 7, and the original Galaxy Watch Ultra. Samsung had the first widely available 5G phone with the Galaxy S10 5G in 2019. It's been 7 years since then, and it's about time for wearables to finally bring out the already aging technology. Of course, that's not the most crucial feature, but it's nice to finally see Samsung devices using the latest connectivity. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.